Hello and welcome to another Gospel Library tutorial. My name is Jared and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom collection in your Gospel Library on an Apple device. If you use an Android device, please see our other video with how to do that on an Android. So Apple users, if I go to my Gospel Library, we look at this front page and we see that the church has preset collections or folders for us where it houses all of the works in the Gospel Library. For example, if I go to lessons right next to notes, this has all of the church lesson manuals that teachers might use in the church. There's also one for Jesus Christ, or one that has all the missionary information or the videos, etc. But you can, through the Gospel Library, create your own custom collection or custom folder. So go to the top right where it says Edit. You're going to touch that, and then you're going to go down to the yellow circle down at the bottom with that plus. And I'm going to create a custom collection called References. I'm going to save that. And now References shows up as a collection there. Now, References, I want to add in resources that provide good gospel definitions or simple definitions of gospel terminology, or teaches the gospel simply, that I can use as references as I study. So I'm going to go to Scriptures, and I'm going to add kind of the two basic ones here, Guide to the Scriptures and Bible Dictionary. To add, I'm going to simply hold down on what I want to add. I don't want to press remove, and that's going to remove it from my library, but I'm going to push Add to and touch References. I am also going to do the same for Bible Dictionary, Add to References. You notice at the top it says one item added to References, and you know that that's properly been added. I'm going to go to Missionary. I'm going to add Preach My Gospel to my references because I think that chapter 3 of Preach My Gospel provides some good simple teachings of the gospel. Let's go to Youth. Let's add True to the Faith. Great resource, as well as For the Strength of Youth. Let's add that. And I'm going to also add in Church History the Gospel Topics essays, because those do a good job of addressing perhaps more difficult questions to answer. And then also Leaders. Let's go to Handbook 2. We're going to add that to References as well. So if I now go to my References collection, I have all of these now housed in one place that I have created. Another idea that maybe a reference or a collection you might want to add, let's go to Edit. I'm going to add one as if I'm a primary teacher. And in my primary teaching, I find that I use the manuals, I use the Bible videos, but I want them all in one place so I don't have to go back and forth and try to find where they're at. So let's go to Lessons, Primary. I teach the 7-year-olds, so I'm going to add this here, Add to Primary Teaching. I'm going to add the Children's Songbook, just in case I need that. And then, again, I use the Bible videos frequently. But you'll notice if I go Videos, and I try to add all of the Bible videos, I can't. You'll find that sometimes in the Gospel Library, there are some things you can add to your custom collections, and there are some you cannot. Like with General Conference, you can add specific conferences like October 2018, October 2017, but you can't add specific talks or sessions. So, but here I can add Nativity. I can add the miracles because those are great stories. And I'm going to add the final events and children Bible videos, teachings, and also the Acts of the Apostles. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my library, and if we notice, primary teaching is here, and I'm going to touch that, and now I have all of these items in my custom folder or custom collection for primary teaching. You might use custom collections for a calling. Maybe it's a specific class you're in if you're a seminary or institute student, maybe for your Sunday school class. And if you want to get rid of a custom collection, you go to Edit, you select, and then down at the bottom left, you'll say Remove, but I don't want to do that. Hopefully this tutorial video has been helpful for you in understanding how to use custom collections. Have a good day and good luck.